Let me start by asking us these basic questions. How many of us do our watch later on YouTube not look like an abandoned graveyard? Yes, you save a video and you never come back to it. Today, I am going to specially tell you how you can stop watching long videos in 2026 and just hit straight to the point. Hello, my name is Dozier Telbert. Today, I want to bring a tool that is best for busy professionals, students, and creators alike. What is that tool? We're going to look at NoteGPT. We're going to have an overview of NoteGPT. So, for today's video, we want to specially appreciate NoteGPT for sponsoring this video. And if you want to get the special bonus and perk that will be shared in this video, I want you to click on the first link in the description, and you're going to have a special access to the support and sponsorship that NoteGPT is giving us in this video. Before we dive into the workflow of NoteGPT, it is good you understand that NoteGPT will help you to save money paying for subscribing for multiple tools, because it is an all-in-one suite that helps you to summarize YouTube videos, write assignments, transcribe videos, subtitle videos, and what have you. It's just a lot. So now let's dive into the workflow of NoteGPT. Now, to sign up on NoteGPT is simple. Simply click on the login. However, to start on NoteGPT, I will recommend you click on the link in the description. There is a special discount for you when you click the link in the description. So I'm going to click on login, then I'll continue with Google. We're going to start with YouTube Video Summarizer. For YouTube Video Summarizer, we can copy any YouTube link and have NoteGPT summarize the video for us with timestamps. Even if it's a 3 hours video, NoteGPT will be able to summarize this video for us. I'm going to copy this 2 hours video from my channel. Let's watch the AI summarize what this video is about. NoteGPT is popping up with the summary of this video, breaking it into timestamps of what was covered within the video up until the last minutes and seconds of the video. You can see NoteGPT simply summarized everything concerning this video. When I scroll down, you can see key insights on the video, what the video is all about. Then the next thing we can do on this video is to use a mind map. NoteGPT has downloaded a full mind map on what this video I shared with it is all about, which I can download to my local file, right? So I can download it as PNG. I can download that. So it gives me a mind map of what this 2 hours plus video is about. And we can also get the summary of what this video is entirely about, broken down clearly for us. More so, this video has been further subtitled. Every second there is a subtitle for the video. So another powerful tool on NoteGPT is PDF Summarizer. It can summarize PDF, PowerPoint, Word, image, text, ebook, right? You can see some of the explorative tools here. We're going to upload this document as NoteGPT is extracting the details of the document and is trying to create a summary. the same way it happened with our video. You can see the name of the book, The Martyrdom of Man, by this timeline, key historical development. This is chapter by chapter summary of the main point of what this book is about. Okay, we can still develop a mind map from this book too, that we can use to have a pictorial overview of our thought process or our ideas, or help us with a flashcard to remember what the document or the video was about originally. As you can see, our mind map once again is ready. Aside from our video summary and PDF summary, there's also this special section for students, right? So I'm going to scroll down here and we're going to see AI study. Once I click on AI study, I'm going to see math solver, AI math video, AI photo math. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to explore AI math solver and we're going to look at AI Flash Maker. So first of all, I'll click on AI math solver. So once we're on AI math solver, we can drag and drop a math question in form of PDF or image, right? We can drop either as a PDF or image, then we're going to prompt here for answer. Once we hover here, you can see calculator. We can basically type in the mathematical equation, whether function, linear equations, quadratic equations, and simply plot the graph, algebraic equations, and as you can see. But right now, let's upload an AI math question. The mathematical questions have been uploaded. So I'm going to prompt it right now to give me the answers of the following questions. So the prompt is, I want you to study the attached image and give me the answers to the questions 1 to 6. I want you to break down the steps used in arriving at the answer. So we'll click on get answer. You can see NoteGPT. You can see NoteGPT doing wonders here. So this is the question I attached on NoteGPT. And these are the solutions, guys. These are the solution. Is this not amazing? Is this not so? NoteGPT is changing the narrative of study, and you can do that for many more. You can see it's not just a one question solver, it solves multiple questions. In the case where you have past questions or question paper that you need to go through, NoteGPT will help you to go through that and break it down. AI flashcard as a student. With AI flashcard, you can either paste text, upload a document, paste a link or YouTube link, and generate flashcards just from the information you gave it. In this particular case, let's take our formal lecture link and paste here. So I'm going to click on YouTube. Make sure it's on YouTube. That is, if you're generating your flashcard from YouTube, if it's text, you paste the text. If it's a file, you paste your file. And if it's a web link, you click on it. But for this video, we are going to paste a YouTube link. And if you see here, you can generate 5, 10, 15 flashcards. I'll leave it at the default 10. Then I'll paste the YouTube link we already have and hit on generate flashcards. So let's play our flashcards and see. As you can see, the flashcard simply gives a slide-like overview of what the document, the video is all about. If you want me to make other videos explaining the other parts of NoteGPT, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to do that. So in 2026, will you be wasting time paying for more tools or spending hours on YouTube videos where you can have it summarized, or even think of assignments that you don't have a headway. If you enjoyed this video and the workflow around NoteGPT, I want you to do 2 or 3 things. I want you to first like this video, subscribe, share to your community, to your fellow professionals, and to the community of students. Let them know what you are learning and let them also know about this too. So, and in this channel, we also talk about AI and AI tips. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.